Will reducing brokerage charges hurt or help the brokers? Join the debate on 2nd December 2025, Tuesday. As the trading industry evolves faster than ever and competition becomes fiercer each day, one question now stands at the center of every brokerage discussion. Will reducing brokerage charges hurt the brokers, or will it actually help them grow? Should brokers protect revenues through pricing stability, or unlock scale, trust, and long-term retention by reducing fees? On 2nd December 2025, Tuesday, Dozen Diamonds brings you a power-packed debate as the instructor team goes head-to-head with the product development team, each defending their vision for the future of brokerage economics. Get ready for insights, arguments, counter-arguments, and a deep dive into what really shapes a broker's long-term success. Join the debate on 2nd December at 7 p.m. Debate link in the description. See you on the other side.